Hello, this is a video training for processing an hourly electronic personnel action form for changing the pay account from which a part-time employee is paid from. From the EPAF main menu, you will select New EPAF, query the name of the employee, select their Dixie ID to be brought back to this menu, update the query date to the pay period that you wish to use for this change, and from the approval category select the EPAF for changing the account index, which is listed here. Then select Go. On the next screen you'll select the job you want to modify. This employee only has one job, so we will select that one and press Go, which will bring you to this page. You can then add the date of the change. You can change the timesheet location. When doing this query, you will search for the 990 numbers and select Go, and then select the department which this person belongs to. And then you will notice the date from your query date originally should align with this job's effective date, and you will type in the new index that you wish to use. From there, you will need to hit Default from Index, which will say an error has occurred because you need to include the account code, which is listed here. Please see the EPAF tutorial cheat sheet on the HR website for the account numbers for students versus non-student hourly employees. You'll put in the number that applies, hit Save and Add New Rows, which will assign it a transaction number. Be sure you put in the correct code, or it will give you an error message, and you can save it again. If it's saved successfully, you'll get the green check marks, and it will assign it a transaction and a transaction status. From here, you will then add a comment as to why you're changing the labor distribution. Hit Save again, and you can submit your transaction. If it submits successfully, you'll get a green check box. If it does not, you'll get a red X with errors that you will need to correct, and then you can save and resubmit the form. Once it is submitted successfully, it will go to the next approver in your routing queue to be processed. This concludes the hourly EPAF for changing the account index.